So you don't have any balances right now?
What's that?
Do you have any balances? Because I saw on deck on the statements.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, great. How long you been in business?
7 years.
That's impressive. Okay. So at the right rates and terms, how much capital could you put to use?
Well, all I really need right now is about 10,000.
Okay, great. And I'm assuming that I mean you could put the capital to use right away.
Yeah.
Okay, great. All right, so I spoke with my lenders, and they told me about how we have low negative daily balances. Okay, they told me that we had a low / inconsistent revenue. Maybe your June was a little bit weak. And you have a balance right now with on deck. So all these factors, we definitely had a lot of hurdles in trying to get you offers for unsecured capital. This is what underwriting looks at when trying to get you funded. But with that being said, underwriting likes your business. I was able to get you approved. Hold on. This is okay. I was able to get you approved for exactly what you were looking for. Okay. It's for $26,500.
Okay.
Could you use $26,500 to improve your business?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Great. So the lender gave it to me on sort of a range. They gave on the max terms, on the max approval for the $26,500. You'd probably be looking at about $147 a day. That's Monday through Friday, no weekends or holidays. Could you handle that? $147 a day to put the $26,000 to work today. $26,500 to work today.
147 a day.
That's right.
And for 11 months, is it?
So gave you that's the max offer. That's max approval, and that term is on 13 months. That's a 13 months term.
Okay. 13 months. Okay.
But could you handle the 147 a day to put this unsecured capital to work today?
I think I could. But let me talk with my wife, you know.
Okay. Oh.
And let her know kind of what's going on.
So do we need your wife's approval on this?
Well, no, not really. You know, I'm just let her know.
Okay.
Kind of what's going on, and you know, are we doing anything?
So I mean, I'll be honest with this is a very aggressive offer, and the reason why you're getting this approval is because we're not counting on deck as a position. Any other commercial lender, they're gonna count on deck as a position, which means that you're already leveraged. But we're not counting on deck. So we're giving you first position terms, even though you already have a position already. You know. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the contracts. All I need from you is just a picture of your driver's license and a voided check. And the best way I've seen for that to happen is if you just take a picture from your cell phone and then just shoot that to me in a text message. That way I can retain the clear image quality. And then from there, assuming we get everything back at the pace that we should be able to go ahead and fund today.
Okay.
Alright? Do you think you can get that back to me within an hour, the driver's license and voided check?
Yeah. What's your number?
This is my direct line. This number receives images.
Okay.
Do you have it on there? It's the 551 number?
Yeah, 551 number? Yeah. Okay.
Alright, so yeah, just text it here, and I'll just be waiting for the driver's license and voided check.
The driver's license and voided check.
Yep.
Okay, man. I'll send it to you.
Alright, great. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you,
Okay,
Jeff.
Thank you.
And congratulations.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Take care. Bye. All right, so that was very easy. I mean, like realistically, dude, like we give people the best rates and terms in the industry. Like that's our guarantee. Like we always do it, man. No matter what, we always get you the best rates and terms in the industry. So that was a very clean, very clean, very easy. You know, this guy knows. This guy's been around the block. He's done funding before, so he knows that he's not getting anything better. So you know, I'm waiting for his driver's license void check. We're gonna get contracts to him, and we're gonna hopefully get him funded today. All right. Well, so guess what? I spoke with they want to give you more money. So they didn't. I spoke to them and I told them that you just got funded. But they said that even with that, this offer is probably still good. So I mean, I'm hoping that it gets approved, but it's for 40,000, and the contracts are inside your inbox. I know last time they weren't upfront about the fees. I think we discussed with you. I can actually pull it up right now. But yeah, I just wanted to let you know that the contracts are in your inbox. Again, I'm not sure if this is gonna fund, but they said that as of right now it's good. It's for 40,000. So origination fee. This is all in the contracts, by the way. It's on page 14 of what I'm looking at. Origination fees $800, wire fee $50, and then ACH processing fee $395. So you're looking at like $1,250 in fees for the 40,000. But yeah, I just want to let you know that the contracts are in your inbox. And again, I'm not even sure if this is going to be approved. But they reached out to me and said we have an offer for you. So I said so might as well try to get the contracts back ASAP.
Okay, do I need, would it be better to wait to hear back from them? But, you know, because last time I did contracts on one of them, then they didn't even do anything, so.
I mean, like I said, they told me that as of right now, it's good. The worst case scenario is we just have to revise contracts for different pricing. But I'm hoping that, you know, we just it's still early in the day. I'm hoping we can just push it through, you know, early today or early this morning and see what they come back with. But realistically, I would need these contracts back right now so I can realistically have an answer from if they're gonna fund or if anything needs to be revised.
Is it DocuSign?
Yep. It's in a DocuSign, so you know you can just click a couple buttons in order to fund today.
Okay. All right. Well, let me go on there and I'll check that out and do that right now.
You think you can get that back to me within an hour?
Yeah. I'm parked right now, so I can do it. I can do it right this second.
All right. Great. Well, I'm on standby. I'll talk to you soon.
Okay.
Thank you,
right.
John. Congrats.
Bye.
Hey YouTube. Hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, this is part two of day 2. What we did, and all this happened in one day. I tried to only include the people that either got offers or got funded. Okay, because there's so many calls that we do on a daily basis. You know, you can't expect me to include all of them, but I included the most important ones. And so I think both of those people that you heard me talk to in this video got funded. I could be wrong on that, but you know, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you guys leave a like on this video so I know that you guys enjoyed it and you want to see more of this. And subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subs, we're going to be doing our first live event. I'm going to take you on either a boat or we're going to do a little event thing for the YouTubes. And those are all my social links. If you want to grow your business, if you want to grow your merchant cash advance business, go to karimofcapital.com. We are giving away our leads, the leads that basically, you know, that took us to where we are today. We're giving them away to you, even though it's going to cost some competition in the industry. I think it's worth it, because I'm you know, the entire purpose of my channel is to get you guys some money, get you going in this industry. So that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you later. Oh, Miami, we're gonna be in Miami next month for our thing. I rented out a room, not a room. I rented out a restaurant called Fogo de Chao. Got that restaurant, and I got a table of 20. So if you're interested in that, You're gonna be in the Miami area. It's gonna be on Friday, April 30th. So if you want to come, join us, meet us. We only have 20 people, 20 seats, so it's very, very exclusive, very limited access. But if you want to get in on that, also let me know. I'm gonna be picking 20 people to join me for that dinner. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching.